Okay boys, so today we are going to learn multiplication of decimal numbers. Multiplication of decimal numbers is very simple because it is normal multiplication. What you have to do is, first of all, you ignore the point. Means don't look at the point at all. And then you multiply and then you insert the point. I've come up with one anagram, means short form. IMI means ignore, multiply, insert. So, IMI. What you have to do is, if it is 224.3 multiplied by 12, I will ignore this point. It will become 243, 243 it will become. So I don't look at the point initially. What do? I simply write 2, 4, 3 and I have to multiply it by 12. So I multiply it by 12 like I normally multiply. So let me start multiplication. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 are 4. Once you have finished multiplying by the digit in the units place, you need to leave a space here because we are starting to multiply by the digit in the tens place. So 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4, 1 2s are. Now these both products need to be added. 6 plus 0 is 6, 8 plus 3 is 11, carry 1, 4 and 4 is 8 and 1, 9 and this 2. Now comes the inserting of the decimal. Now if we look, the decimal is here in between 4 and 3. Means after the point there is one digit. There is one place after the point. So in our answer also, after the point we want only one place. So we'll count 1 and we'll put the point here. It is just that. How many ever decimal places are there in the multiplier and the multiplicand? Those many decimal places have to be there in the product. So here similarly there is 92.38 to be multiplied by 18. So first I ignore the point and what will it become? 9, 2, 3, 8, 18. Okay. First 8 8s are 64. 4 carry 6. 8 3s are 24 and 6 is 30. Carry 3. 8 2s are 16 plus 3 19. 8 9s are 72 plus 1 73. Now before we start multiplying by the digit in the tens place, we have to insert a 0. If you have carried, rub them off. Now 1 8s are 8, 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2, 1 9s are 9 and add it up. 4, 8, 9 and 3 is 12, carry 1, 6, 9 and 7 is 16. Okay, now the point is here. And after the point, we have two decimal places. So in our answer also there have to be two decimal places. 1, 2. I insert the point here. So check. Point, then 1, 2. Point, then 1, 2. Okay. Now we go to the third one. This, the multiplicand and the multiplier, both of them have a decimal. No worries. We just ignore them. This will become 962. This will become simply 8. Let me multiply. 962 multiplied by 8. 8 2s are 16, carry 1. 8 6s are 48 and 1, 49. 8 9s are 72 plus 4, 76. I finish multiplying. Now I can see that the point is here between 9 and 6 and before 8. So we count the total number of decimal places. Here after the point we have 1, 2. Here after the point we have 1. So 1, 2, 3. Totally in all, after the point, we have 3 decimal places. So in our product, there has to be 3 decimal places. So I will count 1, 2, 3 point. After the point, you have 1, 2, 3 decimal places. Now in this, where can you go wrong? When you insert the point. Now most of the times what happens is, children start counting from this side. They count 1, 2, 3, and then they put the point. If you start counting from the left side, then you will count 1, 2, 3, and put the point here. When you put the point here, if you have made this mistake, you wouldn't know. But if you check like this, that after the point 1, 2, and here after the point 1, so 2 plus 1, 3. So after the point, 3 places have to be there. If I look in the answer, I can see only one digit after the point. So I will know that this point is put in the wrong place. I need to put it here. Only then I will have 1, 2, 3 places after the point. So what is the thing you need to remember? Don't look at the point. Multiply like you normally multiply very carefully, but and then count the number of decimal places. Now only if this one is having, then you have to count only that. Sometimes only the multiplier will have. Then you see how many places are there. Accordingly, you put it for the answer. Now, if both of them have a point, you need to look at the total number of decimal places, and your product, your answer, should have the total number of decimal places. So, if